Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update email privacy using Proton Mail security features, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your email privacy using Proton Mail security features, start by logging into your Proton Mail account. Go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, select the privacy tab on the left side. Here, you will find various privacy options that you can customize. First, enable two-factor authentication for added account security. This feature requires a second form of verification when you log in, making your account much safer. Next, scroll to the encryption section. Ensure that end-to-end encryption is enabled for your emails. This guarantees that only you and the recipient can read the content of your messages. Now, consider using a password for emails sent to non-Proton Mail users. This adds an additional layer of protection in case your email is intercepted. To do this, select the option to create a password for your outgoing messages. Make sure to share this password with your recipient through a secure method. Next, navigate to the Account Security section in your settings. Here, review the recovery options to ensure they meet your security needs. You might want to disable recovery emails for extra security. Instead, consider using a secure recovery method, such as a recovery key. Now, return to the main settings menu and choose the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, set up filters to automatically manage unwanted emails. Block any addresses that you deem suspicious or irrelevant. Finally, remember to periodically review your settings to stay updated with new security features. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the privacy of your emails with Proton Mail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.